that would be my 5th one. I'm going to do 6 just because my strand is kind of long because of the neck size. So I'm going to do one more. Okay, there. Now, here's the complicated part. I'm not going to be able to show this really well, but you take your string, you lay it down here. You can take one of the strands, not two, one of them, go around the string and tie a knot right there. Now this is going to be hard depending on the length of your knot string. Not your neck string, your knot string. Because it could be very long. Like, here's what it looks like. Tied a knot there. I'm going to do another one here. Make sure they're not 2 because mine keep picking up with 2 and you can't use 2, it will not work well and you'll be short one. So, I'm just going to go like that and around. So, if you do not know how to do a knot, I will simply tell you. Take the 2 ends, fold them like that, and then you're going to go out and under. So, you're just going to do that on the choker. So, you're going to go like that. Or this could be a necklace. If you would rather a necklace and you are passionate about a necklace, feel completely free to do a necklace. Necklaces are nice too. I just did a choker today because of the knots. Because like knots kind of go with the choker feeling, so we're just gonna go with a choker today. I may do a necklace in future videos. Please comment down below if comments are on. If you would like to see that. I'm just going to continue doing my knots. And I have 2 extra. You can have extra. I'm just going to fill in little gaps that I may have missed that like are obvious. Fill in this gap right here. So I did 6 little bands, like little stringies things. But you can do like 5, 2, 10, 7. Doesn't really matter. Just it depends on how long your choker is. So that's what it looks like. It is very like stringy. Like it does like the strings do like stretch and stick out. So I am gonna trim them down. If you want to do that, go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Just to trim off the extra little edges. And it will look like a little bow if you do trim off the edges. So just be careful. If you don't want that, then do not trim off the little edges. But do not trim the edges all the way down because then it will destroy your knot. And then you'll have kind of like a weird dot on it. It won't look like a knot anymore. So I do not recommend like cutting it all the way down. Like I'm making mine look like a bow because I just want to do that for mine. So I definitely would recommend you not cutting all the way down. If you think it will look so much better, go ahead, do that. But I'm not going to do it for mine on camera just because I want you to see how it looks like with like the bow form, just in case if you want to do that. And I will do it for you so that I will be your experiment so that you can see what it looks like without all the way down or without all the way. So that's what it looks like so far. I'm going to go ahead and cut that little stringy off. Be very careful when you're cutting short things because you could accidentally snip your finger, and that is not good. So we're going to go ahead and snip that off. We're going to snip this last one. Boom. And boom. Alright. So let me just clean up my mess here because it's kind of a big mess. But please be careful with your messes and the scissors, of course. But here's what it looks like. These little knots. That's what it looks like for mine. I do not know if you would like that. If you do, go ahead and do that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and size it around my neck. Go ahead and size around your neck, see if it feels good. If it does not, then just cut it down. If it like feels too tight, all you have to do is grab another piece of string, cut it off both ends, then attach it to one of the ends of the choker, and then you can easily attach it, and then it'll just lengthen it a bit. If you change your mind about the choker, just add another length like I just told you how to, and it will totally change the whole thing. Because to change a necklace to a choker or vice versa, you just need to add length or detract length. So yeah, that's all that really matters. So what do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!